Hello, this is Logarithm lesson 2.1. In this, I will continue with questions without variable. The objective of this lesson is that you need to solve the questions in least possible time, and you first try to pause the video, try to solve yourself in least possible time. So let's discuss the question number 1. Now, how I will solve this question in exam? You don't need to write that much in exam because the objective is to solve in least possible time. So I will take the first number, I make this bracket as first bracket, this is the second bracket, and this is the third bracket. Now first 16 can be written as 2 raised to the power 4. This 16 can be written as 2 raised to the power 4. This 16 I have written as 2 raised to the power 4. Now as the bracket will open, the power will get multiplied. Now after this 16, the power will come forward. So this 16 will come here. 16 will not be there. Now 16 will come here. Log 2 to the base 2 will become 1. So this is 2. 16 will be left. Now the question left was this: log 8, log 4. Only the 16 will be left in there, because log 2 to the base log 2 would be 1. Now 16 can be written as log 8 will be as it is, this log 4, this 4 power 2. Now 2 will again come forward, this come 2 log 4 base 4. As the number and base are same, this value will be 1. Log 4 to the base 4 is 1. So this will become log 2 to the base 8. Now this can be further written as log of 2 upon log of 8. Log 2 will be as it is. This 8 can be written as log 2 cube. This is log 2 upon this 3 power will come forward. This is 3 log 2. Log 2, log 2 cancel. Your answer will be 1 by 3. That is option number, your first option, that is 1 by 3 will be your final answer. Exam, I will even don't write this. I can solve this question verbally. You have to imagine the things, whatever you have written, and then this question can be solved in less than 20 seconds. Question 2 is this: log number is 5, base is 8. This is whole 5 power. 5 power is log base 6. Number is log 8 to the base 7 into log 7 to the base 8. Now this question can be solved in less than 20 seconds. How? This, what I'm solving this part only. This become log 8 by log 7 into log 7 by log 8. Log 7 to log 7 cancelled, log 8 to log 8 cancelled. This part will become 1. So how the question will be left? This is base 8, 5 power log base is 6. This will become 1. Now you know that log 1 to any base is 0. So this will become log 8 5 raised to the power 0, because log 1 is 0, 5 power 0. Now 5 power 0 is how much? Anything raised to the power 0 is 1. So log of 1 to the base 8, again answer is 0. You can solve this question verbally without writing in an exam. Only thing is that you need to imagine whatever I have solved. Whatever I have written, if you can imagine that in brain, there is no need to write. If I have to solve this question in exam, I will definitely solve verbally without writing, and that is what you need to learn. Third question is log 80 plus log 150 to the base 5 minus log 2400 to the base 5 plus 3 would be how much? Now this question don't need to write much. This is log A plus log B. This will be equals to log A into B. Base will be 5. This is 80 into 150 minus log 2400 will as it is plus 3. Now this is log A minus log B. This will becomes log, base will remain as it is, A by B. 80 into 150 upon 2400. This 3 will be as it is. Now 80, this is 30, 35. So you left with log 5 to the base 5 plus 3. Now number and base is same. This will be 1 plus 3 is equals to 4. So answer will be option number 4. Question number 4 is log 480 is what? These 4 options are given to you. Now one way, conceptual way would be like this: log, this is 48 into 10, then write this is 8 into 6 into 10, then simplified according to the option choices, because you can break this number in many ways. So better method for such question is options, because options are given to you. One of the options will form log 480, but in order to solve the question with the help of options, your speed must be fast. I can solve this question verbally with the help of option, but I will write for you. This 3 log 2, this become log 8, 2 power 3. This 3 will become power. 2 power 3 is 8 plus log 5 plus this become log 3 square, that is log of 9. Now log a plus log b plus log c, this become log a into b into c. This become log 8 into 5 into 9. 8 into 5 into 9, this is 8 5s are 14 into 9, this is become log 360. This will become log 360, not 480. That will won't be my answer. Same way, second option. This become log 16, 2 power 4, 16 into 25, log 5 square, 25. So this become log 16 into 25 into 3. Now 16 into 25 is how much? 400 into 3. This will become log 1200. This will also not be my answer. B option we are not answer. A option not answer. Third option C. This become log 5 log 2 becomes log 2 power 5, that is 32, plus log 3 will be as it is log 5. This become log of 32, log a plus log b plus log c, log a into b into c, 32 into 3 into 5. Now 32 3s are 96 into 5, this become log 480, and that will be my final answer. That is option number C. So in this way you need to solve such question with the help of option. The student who don't know the concept of solving with the help of options will take so much time to solve this question, because this 480 can be broken in many ways. You have to break this 480 as per the option choices, and it is a complicated task. So best method is to go by option, and even going by option I can solve this question with the help of, without writing, just by looking at the option. As this become 32 log 2 power 32 into 3, 96 into 5, 480. This question 5 given to you. Options are 0, 1, 2, 3, A plus B plus C. Now how I will solve this question? Objective is to solve in a faster manner. This becomes log ABC upon log AB. This become log ABC upon log BC. This becomes log ABC upon log AC. Now this can be written as log AB upon log ABC, log BC upon log ABC, log AC upon log ABC. This same thing, no difference. Same thing, you can write like this. Now this can be written as log A plus log B, log A plus log B plus log C, log B plus log C, log A plus log B plus log C, log A plus log C, log A plus log B plus log C. As product can be written as plus. The denominator is same, log A plus log B plus log C. This becomes, numerator will become twice of log A plus log B plus log C. This cancel out, the answer would be 2. Now I have written that much for this question. In exam you can solve this question without writing, by just imagining what I have written. This thing, that whatever I have written, you have to imagine this in your brain. Imagine this in brain. I can imagine myself, if I need to solve this question in exam, I will imagine these steps in brain, that this becomes like this and it will be open like this. Whatever I have written, you can imagine this in brain, then this question won't take more than 20 or 30 seconds to solve, and that is what you need to learn. Otherwise, if you can't imagine, just write less as I have written, and it will not take more than 1 minute to solve this question. Objective is to enhance our brain capacity, enhance the speed of solving the question with logic, concepts and options. That was all about lesson 2.1, questions without variable. In the next lesson I will continue with more on logarithms. Thank you.